I think the way people use the office has definitely changed. People need to be empowered when they are in the office. So the technology that is deployed has got to be both empowering, it's got to be inclusive, but it's also got to be simple. So DTEN devices are designed to be simple and intuitive, yet feature-rich to really help people conference, collaborate, and communicate way better. So DTEN and Zoom are forever evolving. We've introduced a lot of new products and features to help with the hybrid office. Some of those features include Kiosk Mode. So Zoom have brought in new Kiosk Mode. It helps you to use it as a virtual reception, but you can also use workspace reservations. So as you adapt the way in which the office is used, people can now easily book out a meeting room, or they could equally easily book out a hot desk. That then becomes their collaboration table or workspace for the time that they're checked into it. One of the challenges is, how do you make it inclusive so you're not segregating who is present and who's remote? So we have some great features to help bring people into the room to give it an equal experience, both present in the meeting room or remote. But likewise, you might want to just have a flexible sit down and need to bring in a remote audience. So how do you then include them? Another big challenge that companies are facing is the way you use the office. You go in to actually collaborate, communicate with people. How do you cater for people being present and those remote? I know hybrid's a buzzword, but it is so true. So we have a lot of tools. Zoom have enhanced their whiteboard, so you can now really truly collaborate from our devices. And the camera technology, introducing Smart Gallery, so you can get individual headshots of people that are present in the room. It's an equal experience. You can collaborate, as well as those people during remote can collaborate equally so. You can assign tasks to them. So again, it's all about keeping it simple for the end user, yet empowering them to be able to be effective. So we brought in some new products. One of them is a Mate. It's a little controller. So now, instead of going up to the device to be able to control it, you can control it from the luxury of your table. It can also be put into scheduler mode, so to help you manage your workspaces better, you can put it outside of the room as a controller. We've also released a new product. It's a dual 75-inch device. That now makes it relevant for larger workspaces. So we're catering from anything from a small individual desk with a 27-inch device right through to a dual 75-inch device, catering for a much bigger workspace. We love to talk about a few things. One, our devices need to be easy to deploy. Most importantly, they need to be easy to use, but also easy to manage. And what I mean by easy to manage is Zoom and DTEN are continuously evolving in the offering. It's a high quality product with all the latest and greatest features, all that you can simply update from your Zoom admin portal or from the Orbit portal. One of the biggest challenges companies have is most companies use multiple platforms. So how do you then cater for those multiple platforms? One of the features that DTEN has built in is the ability to guest join Zoom directly from your DTEN Zoom Room endpoint. And the good thing is you don't need any technical support. When you walk into the room, pre-scheduled meetings are on your calendar, one click to join. That pre-scheduled meeting can be a Zoom meeting, it can be a Teams meeting, it can be any traditional video platform. One click straight in.